I'm Laura GB, and here's another video in my Magic of M series. Today we're looking at combining files. So here we have a folder full of files from a manufacturing plant. So there is a file for every day as to what production happened that day. As you can see in the bottom left hand corner, there are 171 files in that folder. I want to combine them quickly into one table of data to be able to use for my reporting. So let's switch over to Power Query. Now I'm doing this Power Query in Power BI, but actually it could have been done in the Excel Power Query just as well. So here we are in Power Query, and I'm going to click on New Source. And the one I'm looking for isn't there at the moment, but if I go for More, up comes the dialog box with all the different ones that are there. And the one we're looking for is a folder. So I'm going to click Connect. And it will ask me where that folder is. Okay, so if I do a quick browse, and under my OneDrive there, I can scroll down here, find my right folder, and there's my production data. Click OK, and there you are, the path has been put in, and click OK. Within a few moments, okay, it will show you the list of files. And then at the bottom here, I've got combine and transform data. So I'm going to go for combine and transform. And the next step it will give me is it will show me in a dialog one of my files. So there we are. There is one of my files. I've got a line and a batch and what material was being made, and the quantity that we were hoping for, and the output. So obviously there's some waste on some of these lines. So then we can click OK on there and give it a moment more. They are evaluating the query and it's running the query, and there you go. I didn't speed that up in any shape or form. That is combining 170 files. It creates the helper queries for you. And in there are a number of things about the parameters and things. Most of these, please don't go in and edit. Should you need to change what it's going to do on your individual files, you can. The transform sample file gives you a very simple little query in here, but you could add steps to. Your final query, which is my production data one here, takes you through all those various steps. Should you want to not do certain files, you can add in a filtered step in here to filter out some of the files. But actually, it works incredibly well. Just take a folder of files and combine them into one table. So that was combining text files in Power Query. If you haven't already, please press subscribe. Take care now.